Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to write your first program in Python language. So first write print, then use parentheses, then use quotes, and after that write hello world, or you can use any whatever you want, like any custom things. And if this is your program complete, and if you run your program, and here you go, it's hello world. If you want to try again like print and you want to write then quotes, don't forget that, and write what is your name, then again quotes and parentheses. And here you go, what is your name. And if you write print, then and how you doing. So it's so easy, guys. So best of luck, try as much as you can, because it's gonna help you a lot when you're gonna go ahead and trying to learn more. Thank you so much.